welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy, and for today's video what we're gonna be doing is a little bit of like a cat makeup look. Halloween is like round the corner and I just really wanted to do another like fun little Halloween video, even though I'm not really celebrating Halloween this year, but I think it'll be quite fun. I had like this Halloween thing with my class and I wanted to do another one this year because like I feel like it's kind of fun and I really want to try out the whole cat makeup look. It's like a really simple kind of thing that you can do just before you go for a Halloween party, or maybe if you want to like do this look before you go to school, that kind of thing. And basically today I'm just gonna show you guys my take on the whole cat makeup look, and I'm gonna be doing two different looks for you guys. The first one is gonna be like a cutesy kind of cat makeup look, and the second one is gonna be more of a glam kitty kind of situation. So I'm really excited of how it's gonna turn out, because while I'm recording this intro, right, I have no idea because I haven't tried out the makeup look yet, and hopefully it goes well. Alright, so the main differences between like the two makeup looks is definitely the eyeshadow as well as like lashes and lipstick. So I'm gonna be focusing on that. So I'll speed up everything else, and basically you guys will see like how easy it is to alter your makeup look based on just like eyeshadow and lipstick and like maybe lashes. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these makeup looks, keep on watching and let's go.
So first I'll be putting on coloured contacts, and this is a pair by Colourvue in the shade Fresh Green. Honestly, I love that it's so vibrant. Next I'll be using the Sofina Primavista Ange Long Keep Base UV Primer. I'll be applying this all over my face, and this will help brighten up my complexion and prep my face for makeup. To prep my lips for later, I'll be using the Burt's Bees Lip Balm in Mango. For foundation, I'll be using the Aprilskin Perfect Magic Coverproof Cushion in the shade 23 Natural Beige. I love this because it's sweat-proof, it brightens up your complexion, it's easy to blend, and it controls sebum at the same time. Can I also just say the packaging is really aesthetic too, and oof, do you guys see the cute little shield prints it leaves on your face before you blend it out? Adorable. So yeah, just gonna apply the foundation all over my face and blend it out, and of course don't forget your neck. Definitely not gonna forget that pesky pimple I have right there, just gonna cover it up. For concealer, I'll be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 311 Cashew. I'm gonna apply this on my under eyes, on areas I want to conceal, as well as on my eyelids to prep for eyeshadow later on. With the Colourpop Hourglass blending sponge, I'll be using it to blend out all the concealer on my face. While I'm blending, just wanna ask you guys, what do you think of the new Halloween-y background music? Next, I'll be using the Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder to set my face. I'm gonna go in with a little mini bake situation, then taking a fluffy brush to lightly dust the rest of my face. And after that, just dust off the bake. Now for my favorite part, eyebrows. So for this, I'll be using the Innisfree Auto Eyebrow Pencil in number 3 Grey. My brow routine is pretty simple. My current go-to brow shape is the straighter Korean-esque kind of brow. To achieve that, all I do is to first draw the outlines of my brow, and then after that fill it in with the eyebrow pencil. I've actually been using the Innisfree eyebrow pencil for quite a while now, and I have to say that I really love this so much because it's affordable and very pigmented at the same time. After filling it in, I'm just gonna be touching it up a little bit, then taking the spoolie side of the eyebrow pencil, I'll be using it to blend out the front and brush through the rest of my eyebrow. For bronzer, I'll be using the Body Shop Honey Bronze Bronzing Powder in the shade 03. To warm up my face a little bit, I'm lightly dusting the bronzer all over my face. Now with a smaller brush, I'll be contouring my face. So basically, this is the 3 and the E shape. Other than under my cheekbones, I'm also contouring the sides of my nose, followed by my temples, and then going down the sides of my face as well as my jawline. Now for blush, we'll be using the Physicians Formula Glow and Mood Boosting Blush in the shade Rose. For this, I'm basically applying it on my cheeks and across my nose. To highlight, I'm using the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Rose Glow and applying it to the high points of my face. For eyeshadow, I'll be using the Colourpop Baby Got Peach palette, and the first shade I'll be dipping into is this warm pinkish orange color in the shade Perky. I'm using this matte shade as a transition color, so all I'm doing right here is to apply it into the crease and focusing it on the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'll be taking this brighter pinkish peach color in the shade Centerfold. With little windshield wiper motions, I'm concentrating this shade on the center of my eyelids. Now for a more shimmery shade, I'll be taking Glaze It and I'll just be applying it onto the front of my eye and then blending it out. This will help to brighten up the entire look. Taking Perky again, I'm just going over the transition areas again just to blend everything out and soften the look. To add a little depth to the look, I'm taking Perky and mixing it with a darker color in the shade Half Baked and applying it to the outer corners of my under eyes. Now with the L'Oreal Cherry My Cherry Eyeshadow Mega Palette, I'll be taking this beautiful champagne-y shimmer shade and applying it to the inner corners of my eyes to brighten up the look, and not forgetting to apply it to the inner corners of my under eyes as well. For eyeliner, I'll be using the Sephora X Stabilo Felt Eyeliner in the shade 03 Chocolate Break. I have to say that I really love the packaging for this because it's really cute, and honestly it just looks like a little highlighter, which is super adorable. Another thing that I like about this product is that it's very easy to draw your eyeliner because of the pointed tip of this little highlighter eyeliner. Oh, and I'm using brown to make the look a lot softer. Now I'm taking the Miniso Brow Pencil. It has a gel-like texture which is pretty similar to an eyeliner, and basically I'm just applying it onto my tight line as well as on my waterline to create a more feline look. Next, using the Petite Cosmetics eyelash curler, I'm just gonna curl my lashes upwards and outwards. Now for falsies, I'll be using the Lavie Lashes in Heather as well as the Petite Cosmetics eyelash adhesive to apply the lashes. I'm using this pair of falsies because it's a lot more natural and it sort of fits the cutesy cat kind of look more than glam lashes would. Next, using the Sephora Crayon Yux Mini Eye Pencil to go in the shade 01 Intense Black Matte, I am drawing the little kitty features for this makeup look. First starting with my nose, then drawing a line linking to my lips, and then right now I'm just lining the top parts of my lip. And here I'm just shading my lips to create a little shadow. For lips, I'll be using the Australis Velour Lips Matte Lip Cream in the shade Osaka. Taking the brown Sephora felt liner again, I'm just drawing the little dots you have on the kitty's cheek, followed by using the crayon eyeliner to draw the little whiskers. Last but not least, I'll be using the Australis Makeup Finishing Spritz Matte to set my makeup. This way the makeup can last all night. Now, time to fix my hair. And of course, a quick change of clothes so we can fit the style of the makeup. Now for the most exciting part, the ears. I picked out this fluffy pair so that it matches the whole cutesy cat kind of look. Next is the glam kitty makeup look. I've already done the base makeup, so we're starting off this look with the Il Mascara Beyond Powder Highlighter in the shade Dainty. Great way to get a glamorous glow. For eyeshadow, we'll be going in with the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner eyeshadow palette and using this light brown color in the shade Mother. I'm using this shade as a transition, so I'm just applying it to the crease area as well as the outer corners of my eyes. For the Glam Kitty, we'll be going for a more smoky eyeshadow look. Now taking a darker brown in the shade Crucifix, I'm applying this in the outer corners. Taking Mother again, I'm just using it to blend out and soften all the shadows. Next, I'm taking this brown shimmery color in the shade Revelation and just applying it to the front of my eyes and then blending it out. Taking Mother again, I'm just applying it to my lower lash line to add a little more depth to this makeup look. Next, I'll be using the L'Oreal Cherry My Cherry Eyeshadow Mega Palette, and I'm taking this dark brown shade and applying it as a cute little shadow liner. Then I'm taking this darker shimmery champagne shade and applying it all over my eyelid and blending it out. For eyeliner, I'll be using the Tarte Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner in the shade Bronze and Black. Using this, I'm drawing a sharp wing on both sides. For this makeup look, we're using a black eyeliner as a way to intensify the look. Now I'll be using the Miniso Eyebrow Pencil, and basically using this, I'll be tight lining and drawing in my waterline to create that feline look we're looking for. Now going back to this L'Oreal palette, I'm taking a brighter champagne color and using it on the inner corners of my eyes to brighten up the look as well as to look more awake. Then I'm blending it out and applying it to my under eyes as well, going from the inner corners to the center of my eye. Then taking the Petite Cosmetics eyelash curler, I'm simply gonna curl my eyelashes on both sides. Now for falsies, I'm using one by Petite Cosmetics in the style Envy. And of course, we can't forget about eyelash adhesive. This one is by Petite Cosmetics as well. I love this pair of falsies because it's really fluttery and beautiful, and it's perfect for the glam look that we're going for. Next, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise for mascara. So for this, I'm just applying it to my lashes to help blend it into the falsies as well as my lower lashes. Now taking the Sephora Crayon Yux Mini Eye Pencil to Go in shade 01 Intense Black Matte, I'm using this to draw the little kitty features such as the nose, where I'm basically just drawing out a little button nose and filling it in. Then I'm drawing this line from the cute little nose to my lips. And next I'm going to be lining my lips with the black eyeliner to create a little bit of a shadow. Now taking the Rouge Gun Zero in the shade 19 Orange Noir by Wake Make. I really hope I said that correctly, but basically I'm using this as the main lip color and then blending it into the black eyeliner on my lips. Now for more kitty features, I'm taking the Sephora Crayon Eye Pencil again and just drawing little dots as well as the whiskers on my cheeks. Just a little touch up and I'm done! Here's the Glam Kitty makeup look. For this look, I changed into a black off-shoulder top, and for accessories, I chose this gold double layer necklace with a cute little pendant. And of course, not forgetting the cat ears. For this look, we'll be using this gorgeous pair of bejeweled cat ears. Oh, and I'm also adding on this pair of gold hoops to add to the look as well as to make the look a little more glam. Alrighty, that's all for the look. I'll be leaving a list of the products I used in this video down in the description box, so you guys can go and check it out if you want.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of me creating like these two looks. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already for more content such as this. And hope you guys are having a great day and have a great Halloween, whether you're staying at home or going to a Halloween party. Also, if you guys want to, you guys can follow me on Instagram as well. Here's my handle, so do give me a follow there guys. And that's all for the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!